Good morning. I am Dibyendu Mondol. Today I am discussing about solar cell characteristics. Okay, solar cell characteristics. Okay, solar cell characteristics. First one is the IV characteristics. Okay, I versus V characteristics. IV characteristics. The well-known characteristics of an ordinarily silicon PN junction is shown here. Okay, I is equal to I0 initial current EXP exponent of V divided by Vt minus 1. Okay, V by Vt minus 1. Okay, so that is the mathematical relation where I0 reverse saturation current, reverse saturation current. Okay, Vt voltage equivalent, okay, EV Vt, that is known as the voltage equivalent of temperature. Okay, voltage equivalent of temperature, and at room temperature 20 degrees centigrade its approximate value is 26 MV. Okay, another one relation, Vt is equal to Kt by Q. K is the Boltzmann constant. Boltzmann constant. Okay, so where K is equal to Boltzmann's constant. Another one is the T is the temperature in degree Kelvin. Okay, temperature in Kelvin. This one is the Boltzmann constant K. And Q is the that is the charge of electron. Okay, Q is the charge of electron. Okay, Q is the charge of electron. Okay. Now, if you draw the IV characteristics of dark and illuminated PN junction. Okay, dark and illuminated PN junction. Illuminated PN junction, if you draw, okay, so this is the P, this is the N. Okay, PN junction, and this one is the V, okay, plus minus. Okay, this one is the I. Okay, illuminated junction, that is the illuminated junction. Okay, if you draw the IV characteristics of a dark and illuminated PN junction, one is the I, another one is the volt V, I in MA, okay, I in MA, and for dark the graph okay like this, the graph like this for dark, and V, that is the volt for dark. Okay, well, one is the dark, another one is the .5. Okay, this is the suppose middle value 0.5, and this is the illuminated. Okay, illuminated, that is the illuminated illuminated portion. Okay, that the two reading, one is the 0.5 kilowatt per meter square, and 0.9, okay, 0.9 kilowatt per meter square. Okay, 0.9 kilowatt per meter square. Okay, so when the PN junction is illuminated, the characteristics gets modified in shape and shifts downwards as the photon generated component is added with reverse leakage current, okay, shown in the diagram. Okay, so the above equation can be modified as I is equal to above equation can be modified I is equal to minus ISC plus I0 exp V by Vt okay, V by Vt minus 1. When the junction is short circuited at its terminal, V becomes 0 and a finite current V, where V becomes 0, okay, V becomes 0 and a finite current I is equal to ISC, okay, so the value is minus ISC, reverse, minus ISC flows through the external path emerging from the P side. ISC is known as short circuit current. Short circuit current ISC, and its magnitude will depend on solar insolation. Now, a voltage source is inserted in the external path with positive polarity on the P side. As the magnitude of this external voltage is increased from 0, the current starts decreasing. Okay, So the value VOC or voltage at which current becomes zero is known as open circuit voltage. Okay, তাহলে voltage at which current becomes zero. Okay, voltage at which current becomes zero is known as open circuit voltage. Okay, known as open circuit voltage. Okay, now in order to obtain as much energy as possible from rather costly PV cell, it is desirable to operate the cell to produce maximum power. The maximum power point can be obtained by plotting the hyperbola defined V into I, that is the constant V into I. That is the constant. Okay, constant value. The voltage and current corresponding to this point are peak point voltage Vm and peak point current Im respectively. Thus, there is only one point on the characteristics at which it will produce the maximum electrical power under the incident illumination level. Okay. Another one is the fill factor, which indicates fill factor FF. Fill factor FF, fill factor. Okay, fill factor. FF is the fill factor which indicates the quality of a cell is defined as the ratio of the peak power to the product of the open circuit voltage and short circuit current. Okay, so the fill factor FF, the defined as the ratio of, okay, at the ratio of the peak power to, okay, ratio of the peak power to the product of open circuit voltage okay, product of open circuit voltage and short circuit current. Short circuit current. Okay, so FF is equal to VMIM, okay, divided by VOC ISC. Okay, that is the FF. An ideal cell will have a fill factor of unity. Very important. Ideal cell. Fill factor equal to 1. Fill factor is equal to 1. Ideal cell. Unity. In order to maximize the fill factor, the ratio of the photocurrent to reverse saturation current should be maximized while minimizing internal series resistance and maximizing the shunt resistance. Typically, its value for a commercial silicon cell in the range of 0.5 to 0.83. Okay. the conversion efficiency eta, conversion efficiency eta okay, eta is equal to Vm Im, okay, Vm Im divided by solar power. That is equal to FF into VOC ISC. ISC divided by solar power. Okay. This one is the efficiency, conversion efficiency. Another one is the schematic symbol of the photovoltaic cell. What is the symbol of photovoltaic cell? Okay. This one. This is the volt. V. Okay. Plus. Minus. Okay. I. Okay. And another one is this one. Okay, so this is the schematic symbol of the photovoltaic cell. Photovoltaic cell. Okay. Another one is the PV characteristics. If you draw the diagram, PV characteristics. PV characteristics, if you draw the diagram, okay, PV characteristics, that is the maximum, peak, maximum, okay, maximum power point, PM, that is your P axis. Another one is your V axis, V. Okay, PM, maximum power. Okay, PM is the maximum power. And VM corresponding voltage equal to VM. Okay, that is the PV characteristics of a photovoltaic cell. PV characteristics of a photovoltaic cell. Okay. Another one is the IV characteristics or maximum power point. Okay. IV characteristics. If you draw the diagram, IV characteristics. IV characteristics, okay, if you draw the diagram, this one looks like this one, okay, that is the IV. One is the I, another one is the B. IV characteristics. That is the ISC. That is the IM. Okay. Another one is that is the VOC. That is the maximum power point, PM. Maximum power point. Okay, so that is IV IV characteristics. and maximum power point. IV characteristics and maximum power point. Okay, IV characteristics and maximum power point. Okay, so that is the schematic symbol. First one photovoltaic cell, another one is the IV characteristics, and another one is the PV characteristics. Okay, another our next topic, that is the equivalent circuit. Okay, equivalent circuit. Equivalent circuit. Equivalent circuit. Okay, if you draw the diagram, equivalent circuit, ideal circuit. Okay, that is the plus. Okay, I minus. Okay, this one I0. Okay, this one is equal to ID is equal to I0 EXP okay, V by Vt minus 1. Okay, V by Vt minus 1. Okay, so this one is the equivalent circuit of solar cell, that is the ideal case. The ideal and practical equivalent circuit of the solar cell. Here ISC is no longer equal to the light generated current IL. Okay, if you draw the practical circuit, if you draw the practical circuit, okay, practical circuit, that is the ISC. Okay, IL, another one is the okay ID, another one is the RSH, okay, and that is the RS. I, okay, positive direction, and that is the negative direction. Okay, so ID the direction, this one. Okay, so ISC for in practical cell, ISC is no longer equal to the light generated, okay, to the light generated current IL, but is less by shunt current through RSH. Okay, further an internal voltage drop of IRS is also included in the terminal voltage. Okay, for practical cell, IL is equal to the formula, IL is equal to I0, okay, I is equal to formula IL minus I0 EXP, okay, V plus IRS, V plus IRS, okay, V plus IRS by VT V plus IRS plus VT minus V plus IRS by RSH. Okay. Here minus 1. Okay, minus 1. Okay, so minus V plus IRS RSH. Okay, for typical high quality 1 square in silicon, so that is the formula. I is equal to IL minus I0 EXP V plus IRS by VT minus 1 V plus IRS RSH. Okay. Okay, so this is the discussion